Shisha in the country as unlawful, setting free 48 persons who had been arrested and charged for selling and smoking shisha earlier this year. Sitting at the Shanzu Law Courts in Mombasa, Senior Principal Magistrate Joe Mkutu ruled that there is no valid or lawful ban on the use, manufacture, sale or offer for sale of shisha in the country. Here's more now on the ruling and the reactions it has attracted.
The National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse is likely to engage on a court process in order to effectively deal with the manufacture and use of shisha among Kenyan citizens. The lucrative business in the country is probably going to boom for some few days. A Mombasa court has already pronounced itself that until there is legal framework to mitigate the business, there is no law prohibiting the shisha ban. Shanzu Senior Principal Magistrate Joe Omido found out that there is no valid or lawful ban on the use, manufacture, sale or offer for sale of shisha in the country. The court says that the High Court reached a finding that by then the Cabinet Secretary, upon issuing the legal notice banning the use, manufacture, sale or offer for sale, did not comply with procedural requirements under the Statutory Instrument Act, including taking the recommendations before Parliament. However, this was not done as required within a 9-month window, meaning it already collapsed. In fact, there has not been placed before the court anything to show that the process of regularizing the ban was ever commenced. Keeping in mind that at least 48 people had been arrested early this year for using shisha in a crackdown, it became difficult for the court to charge them with specific offenses. The Senior Principal Magistrate went on to declare that there was no valid shisha ban under the rules gazetted in 2017. At the time, the accused committed the alleged offenses on January 14, 2024. As we speak, residents in Mombasa have castigated the move to allow usage of shisha since it affects the productivity of most young people.
Kunywa hiyo ndawa kasi ni kulala tu na kusinzia. Hata anaweza kuwa anatembea barabarani, akifika hapo naona amesimama na ameacha kulala. Kwa hivyo serikali sije ikafanya makosa ikahalalisha kitu kama hizo. Ni mihandarati, na mihandarati hizo kwanza ndio zinapoteza vijana kabisa. Ni kama bangi.
Watoto wetu wa kiume wanaharibika na ndio tegemeo letu la baadaye. Sasa tunawaomba serikali, tunawaomba waibanishe hiyo shisha, kozi watoto wa kiume wanaipenda hata kuliko chakula.
The 48 accused individuals were later on set at liberty by the court unless otherwise lawfully arrested. The court also directed that the cash bail deposited by each of the accused person be released to the depositors. Paul Kirobi, TV 47.